Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank in 2025. Whether you're a PayPal pro or just starting out, this guide will have you moving funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the app or website. If you haven't already, verify your account. PayPal might have some updated security features in 2025, like enhanced two-factor authentication, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're in, head over to your wallet or balance section. This is usually front and center on the homepage. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank option. In 2025, PayPal has streamlined this process even more, possibly with quicker options or AI-assisted suggestions to help you choose the best method. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts. If you haven't linked one yet, don't worry, there's a simple button to add your bank details. Just follow the prompts to connect it securely. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any potential fees. In 2025, PayPal might have reduced international transfer costs, but always double-check. Once you've punched in the amount, review the details for accuracy. That includes the recipient bank and your PayPal balance. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. Processing times can vary, but with 2025's improvements, you might see funds in your account within minutes for instant transfers or up to a few business days for standard ones. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation and any updates. And there you have it. Easy as that. Transferring money from PayPal is a breeze once you know the steps. If you run into any issues, PayPal's customer support has gotten even better with chatbots and 24/7 help. Thanks for watching, folks. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one. Stay savvy.